Have you ever wondered how people woke up before alarm clocks were invented? Well, you might think they just woke up naturally in those days, but that wasn't always the case. In the 1800s, people were actually hired to be alarm clocks. They were called knocker-uppers, and they stayed up the entire night to make sure workers woke up in time.